Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 4th subject Moral Science. Last class we saw God made them whole. I hope all of you studied that poem, and today we are going to learn new chapter 2, All for the Best. This is the good story. Okay, all of you listen to me carefully. In a king's court, there was a minister. According to him, everything that happened was for the best. To every situation, he used to respond, all for the best. Once there was a minister lived in a court, king's court. Once there was a king's court, lived a minister. Then he always say, all for the best. What all happened in his life, he always respond, all for the best. Once what happened? Once it so happened that the king got cut and the thumb of his left hand had to be cut off. Once his king's left hand thumb had to be cut off. Hearing the news, all felt sad. All something happened, sad news, we all will feel bad. We all feel sad, and then that way we will respond. But this minister is not an extraordinary minister. Then he told this all for the best. He told king also the same way. This is for all for the best. The king extremely annoyed. His king was very angry. He ordered the minister to be expelled from the kingdom. Then months passed by. Once while hunting, the king got separated from his friends. When he went for cutting, that time he separated from the friends. It was getting dark. Evening time. Then the king wandered here and there. Evening time, it was dark in the jungle. There was very dark. Then the king wandered here and there for searching for a shelter or home. To any house he will get to see. He was searching for a house. Finally, at a distance, he could see a light and he heard some noise. Finally, he found out some house there was. Then some light, and he saw there. He went there, hoping to be saved. He thought, I will save from there. He went there and he entered there. To his shock and surprise, he saw some strange people speaking a strange language. These people, they are speaking some strange people only. They are speaking also strange language. They are speaking strange language. They could not understand what they are speaking. They could not understand each other what they are speaking. They were preparing some kind of ritual, some kind of offerings, some puja and all. They want that kind of, they are making there some ritual there. Seeing the king, they became very happy. They happy and started discussing very seriously. By seeing king, they all are very happy for what they something started to discuss something seriously. The king told them, but king, he doesn't understood what they are telling and talking. But this innocent way, this king asking what happened. But neither the people, king or nor the people could understand each other. But they could not understand each other what they are speaking. Then what happened? They tired the king. They tired the king to for what? For kill him, going to kill him and offer him as a sacrifice to their god. They are going to kill him and sacrifice to they are offered their god. Suddenly they noticed that his thumb was missing. His left hand thumb was missing. They noticed there, and suddenly they released him. Against their custom and rule, they all it will they had God against their custom. They released our king and king. Okay, that much. Then that time our king's friends came there and saved the king. Now only this come to understood this king. Our minister used to say, what all happens, it is for our best. Release that. Then now the king released the meaning of what the minister used to say. What do you learn from the story? What you understood from the story? Anybody, can you understood? You can say anybody understood? Yes. What all happened in our life, it is for our good. No need to murmuring and complaining there. Here again we will see there, everything that happened in our life has a hidden virtue in it. There is hidden virtue in it, isn't it? There is hidden virtue in it. That time we cannot understand what is, why we will speak. It is not given something. We are asking something to buy. That time our parents did not give, or teachers or anybody did not give to you. That time you will feel sad. But there is hidden virtue in it. Whatever happened is for our good. When something happened against our wish, or we do not get whatever we ask for, we become sad and we start cursing God and cursing God and others because we fail to see God's plan in our life. We have failed to see God's plan there is. Remember, God knows everything. God knows everything. Without His knowledge, nothing happened in our life. He lets only those things happen that are good for us. So we must happily accept everything that God gives us. We must happily accept it, what God gives us. Because whatever God sends is for our good. Because what all happens, God sends us, it is for our good. That we have to understand, and this we have to remember and keep it our mind. This is lesson you have to read well and study and make to understand. Okay, all of you understood. I hope all of you understood this lesson. And last lesson we studied God made them all. Last question answer also I am sending separately. This is video. Another question answer also only I will send you. Okay, thank you children.